Good day, grade 7s. Today I'll be showing you how to make a compound pulley system using recycled material. We will follow the design process. Step 1. Investigate our problem we need to solve. We need to lift a heavy object like a 50 gram without using too much strength. Therefore, to do that, we will build a compound pulley which uses both fixed and movable pulley to make lifting easier. Step 2. Design. Materials needed: box, glue, wool, sellotape, toothpick, 50 gram object, money clip. Our 2D sketch of a compound pulley. We have a fixed pulley and a movable pulley that carries a load so that it can give us a mechanical advantage. Step 3. Make. We are going to use these two objects to draw 4 big circles and 4 small circles on our box and cut them out. Now we have 4 big circles and 4 small circles. We are going to take 2 small circles, place them on the big circle, then glue them together and take the one big and put them on the top so that you can make a pulley. Here are our joined small circles and the big circles. So now we are going to take a toothpick and going to place it in the middle so that we can have a fixed pulley. Here is our fixed pulley. The next step, we are going to take 2 boxes to join them together using a sellotape so that we can create a frame. Here are our 2 boxes now joined using a sellotape. So the next step after creating a frame, you are going to create 2 holes. One hole for a fixed pulley and the other side for a rope. Here is our rope or a hole. Then now we are going to take our pulley and we are going to put it on another hole. Now we have a rope and a top fixed pulley. Now we are going to put a movable pulley. Now we have placed a movable pulley. So now we are going to use a paper clip to attach it to the hole so that it can carry the load under the movable pulley. There is a clip. Now we are going to put the load. This is our final product. This is a compound pulley, so we have a rope, a movable pulley, and a fixed pulley, also a load hanging under the movable pulley. The next step, which is step 4, we are going to evaluate. So you can ask yourself questions like what went well, and you explain the overall mechanical advantage. Now we are testing to see if our compound pulley works well. Let's see. So this is an input force. The hole which I'm pulling represents the input force going downward. Then there is a movable pulley with a weight showing us a mechanical advantage. So yes, it works perfectly fine. So when you pull on the side, if the weight is 50, therefore using a compound pulley, you are going to have a half of the weight. There is our compound pulley. This shows a mechanical advantage. This is a mechanical advantage. We are having half of the object. Therefore, a compound pulley gives us more mechanical advantage because we are having a half of the weight. So we are pulling the half of the weight. We are pulling or lifting. Actually, it's lifting half of the weight. The last step is step 5. We communicate. We explain what we learned. Therefore, a compound pulley helps reduce the effort needed to lift something. And we used a recyclable material to solve a real life problem. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a compound pulley and how it shows the mechanical advantage.